with more in the deep end, and Shizzywhiznut. Oh, sweetie, we ain't here to babysit your feelings. Bless your heart, we are here to laugh, react, and roast every stupid thing you do. You bring the clips, we bring the jokes. We're gonna mock you till our sides split. So grab your drink, mute your pride. We're gonna end when FNL goes live.
Hey,
Hello.
everybody. How's everyone doing tonight? Let's go. Oh
Let's
my God.
go.
Oh yes. I'm sorry. I've been busy posting new, I'm working on some new merch. I don't know if I have time to do this tonight because I've got a whole line of merch to do. I'm thinking February's going to be awesome.
Good Lord. I feel like we need Volstorm or some other semi-adult to run things by. Because
he is no adult.
I said semi. I mean, of all the people, like, I feel like White Rabbit would curtail a lot of our ideas.
No, she would think that they're very enthusiastic.
She would walk away and pretend she didn't know us.
Shizzy replayed the video for the cat and it ran away again.
What? Oh, the birth one this morning, or
No, that was last night. Oh, last night was good. I think I played some of our songs last night too. It might have been what did I do? Did I play butt stuff last night? I think I did.
yeah.
Oh, we might have to do that next Friday for the Christmas special. Like play all of the songs.
Yes. We'll have a good old caroling.
Well, I've been working on a new product line. If you're not following, make sure that you're following and go check out the most recent post, and you'll understand that I am working on a whole new product line brought to you by the Fleas. Oh, they're so awesome. I mean, they inspired me. They inspired me to.
It was like a strike of lightning.
Well, that and
from the mouths of morons.
they hit it so good sometimes. Happy Friday, everyone. Oh, yes. Happy Friday. Good to see you. Daniel Berry Sports Highlights, the greatest sport highlights that you will ever get.
Oh, awesome.
I'm feeling so wonderful tonight. Not as wonderful as this guy is. Oh, boy.
The U.S. and all of your administrative law is not providing me any...
Oh, damn it. That's what happens whenever you put things on ×2 speed.
I was like...
give me a second. I have to refresh.
And with all due respect, the U.S. and all of your administrative...
I don't... Damn it. I'm trying to get the playback speed to get back down to normal. Here we go. There we go.
And with all due respect, the U.S. and all of your administrative law is not providing me any services due to the facts is that I'm ordering a stay on the common law side of this court.
The guy from Night Court?
Address...
What?
Or is that a lady?
What, right here?
No, in the middle is...
That's
exactly.
That's a district court judge too. That's her right there.
Oh, so it's a her, because she looks exactly like the guy who used to do Night Court.
Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? Shizzy Mo, lurker here in South Dakota. Well, you are welcome to lurk away. Welcome to lurk away. And hello, Kalisa. Hello. I'm going to probably say that wrong a million times. But evening chat in Shizzywhiznut. Well, thank you very much, and welcome. Yes, and howdy everyone coming in. We do this every Friday, and we just get in here and like to crack up and have a little bit of fun. And if you want to have some fun, we've got something special coming up right after this particular one.
So you say you're an attorney. In fact, have you been allowed to practice law in the state of Washington by the Supreme Court of Washington? All right, now back to Miss Wally. Sorry, sir, to confuse you. Your name?
You're giving me just a minute here. I've just been rushed into here. I have not had access to any of the courts and any phone calls whatsoever. I just need about 10 more minutes if possible.
I love this. It's raining sob sits today. This one is a whopper.
Why are they filming the top of his scalp?
Well, no, he's got his head down where normally he would be looking back at the camera. He's got his head down and he's trying to write stuff down. And why is he wearing birth control glasses?
Yeah, I kind of wonder. He's wearing HR glasses. I call those penny problem glasses because you see those, you know that woman's going to have a problem with whatever you say.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's your name though?
Okay, I'm here by a special and a limited appearance as the man. And at this point in time, per the common law side of the court, I'd like to.
He's got a tick. He's got a tick. It's going to drive me nuts. God damn it. Why do you have to have that tick? And then the only reason this particular tick bothers me is whenever I was going for my basic training, you have to go through MEPS.
Oh, yeah.
And so they room you with somebody, and the guy that was my roommate had this same exact tick. And it was so annoying that we bailed on him and then came back to the hotel room and he was getting a Hummer by a prostitute. We bailed on him because he was so annoying.
That's about how my MEPS thing went. My roommate hooked up with someone else while I was there, and poor innocent Mo was like, this isn't happening. I am not here. I was trying to do my chemistry homework. I was the only nerd who took homework to MEPS.
Everybody else was taking something else.
Yeah, everyone else was like, you want to drink? And I was like, we're going to get drug tested. I was such a good person.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Me, I ended up in Juarez, Mexico. Is where I ended up. Yeah, we went to Juarez, Mexico, and I that's whenever I found out what a donkey show was. I had no idea that there was such a thing. And I was like, okay, I don't ever want to be in this situation again. I think I'll just take my carton of cigarettes for $10 and head back across into El Paso. And then I, of course, show up at my room and open up the door, and I've got like a whole group of people with me. And of course, then I think we ended up sitting out in the park because this was at the Plaza Hotel that's in El Paso, which is in the freaking ghetto, by the way.
Oh yeah.
So
they're
we
always in the ghetto.
Yeah, we come rolling out, and we're all just sitting out in the park, and this guy is like laying out on the ground near us. And so we started singing Silent Night. And next thing you know, all the bums in the whole park were singing along with us. And they're like, you guys are beautiful, man. You guys are beautiful. Sing it again. we were such loons. God. Of course, we were alcohol fueled at that point, so it didn't matter.
To enter an order.
What do your friends call you?
Stupid.
Excuse me, do you mind letting me finish?
I don't have
I'd like to.
Well, I need to know who you are. I can't help you.
Okay.
Who do you think I think you are? Who do they put on documents that you don't agree with? What's that name?
As I said, I'm
feels
here
like
by
a psych
special and limited
eval.
appearance, and in accordance to the common law side of this court.
What?
So, Ms. Gannam, did you have a chance to talk with the man I'm trying to figure out?
Yeah,
Enter an order.
and the jail believes this is Raymond of the family Paulo.
Excuse me, I told you not to interfere, and you accepted that liability. As per FARA, Foreign Agent Registration Act, you do not have the right to represent me as a legal person because that would be a fraud upon the court. Per FARA,
Mr. Paulo or Ray or Raymond, how do you like me?
Particular attempts.
How would you like me to refer to you, sir? I can't just say, hey, you. How would you like me to refer to you?
Capacity as an interested party.
Is that what your friends call you? Your family call you? What do they call you?
They
What
call
part
you.
of it did you not hear?
What part did you not hear, stupid?
I'm still looking for a name.
Okay, well, I'm not my name. I'm a man standing on the land
Okay.
as a Washingtonian, American national, non-resident alien to the U.S. And I'm not doing any business whatsoever and or trade under the jurisdiction of the U.S. and or subcorporation. I have never been in the United States.
Hey,
That's the
Bob.
facts. And so per the common law, trespass is now being attempted at this point in time. And from the beginning, I want to address this in a particular manner in order to settle these differences so that there is no unlawful conversions of estate property.
Okay.
That would
I'm
be
going to
identified.
jump over to the prosecutor and ask them what they know. So,
Okay, who's the
Mr. Sharp,
okay.
Mr. Sharp or whatever because I don't
Okay.
know who you are and I don't think that you're part of this case. How about this? You get to sit in lockup until you figure out a name that you can give me. And then I'll see you in 30 days. And that's what I
Yeah.
would do.
Oh,
Fuck these people.
oh yeah. No, I'd be like, is your lithium someone? Yeah, no, he'd have 2 seconds and I'd be like, okay, take him back if he
Yeah.
would like to give his name, but we're not holding up the court.
Yeah. We don't have time for his shenanigans. Like and I would seriously make him wait 30 days. I would do that in just keep doing it. It's just like, well, the judge won't hear me. It's just like, well, you've got to give the judge your name. Like, you want to play this stupid game? Well, win stupid prizes.
Yeah. We've coddled idiots too long.
Bouncing in and out, going over to Tug. Oh yeah, tonight with Tug is going to be an absolute shit show. I guarantee it. Go for it. It doesn't hurt my feelings at all. Trust me.
Oh yeah. No, I believe me. This is so great after today in the Brian Walsh case, because I need to let off some steam.
We're going to let off some steam tonight. I've got a good one right after this.
has this person been identified?
No, please, Your Honor. It's pulling up document.
Okay, so is Mr. Sharp, do you have
Yes,
a
Your Honor.
first and last name?
One person at a time, sir. Let me hear from the prosecutor and then I'll turn back.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Paulo's identity was confirmed when he was
Objection.
arrested for trespassing and searched.
No, identity.
Slow down, sir. I just need to hear from one person at a time. I will come back to you. So please
Okay.
keep your peace while I listen to the prosecutor. All right. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Your Honor, a search incident to arrest uncovered a Washington State ID card that confirmed his identity as Mr. Paulo.
Raymond Paulo with a date of birth, June 25, 69.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So,
A legal person or a dead entity or a
Hey,
corporation?
shut up.
so
Shut
sir,
up, MK
are
Ultra.
you telling me you
Seriously.
don't want an attorney to represent you or what?
Attorney, in fact, I wouldn't need any to represent me, especially under the 11th Amendment. This would be an unlawful proceeding.
Yes, Tug is doing a show tonight. His stream has been announced. Just hit refresh on his page. Look at live, and it'll show that he's doing one tonight. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's got one. Only I control the shit show. It wouldn't be a shit show if I controlled it. Oh, people love this song right here.
Welcome to the shit show.
Every single day, a new flavor of buggery, 'cause everybody sucks, you see, and they're done with rocks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then 4 more days of increasingly stupid, ridiculous, ignorant, balder, dash, poppycock, bollocks, and buggery. I love it. Bailiff Gaggle. There's no driver on this short bus.
Proceedings due to the facts.
Well, all right. So you got a right to have a lawyer represent you because you're charged with a criminal offense by the city of Lacey.
All right.
And do you want Ms. Ganem, who's an attorney here in Washington, to assist you today?
Excuse me, I said I needed 10 minutes and you were saying you were going to suggest something or another.
Well, I may give you 10 minutes, but we may see you tomorrow too. But I wonder,
The but?
do you want
But
an
everything
attorney
you said
to
in that
assist
was
you?
Okay.
Do you
so
want an attorney to assist you or not? I just need a yes or no there.
I'm hereby going to enter an order into the common law side of this court.
So I need a yes or no,
stay-
sir. Do you want an
a
attorney
stay of-
to assist you?
so exhaust my
A yes or no
administrative
answer,
remedies.
sir. Do you want an attorney to assist you? Can you answer yes or no to that? Do you want an
Apparently not.
attorney?
No.
Do you want an attorney?
I am an attorney, in fact, for the unincorporated
So you,
United States, and with all due respect,
Wait a minute. The unincorporated United States, is this like somewhere like Eagle-Tucky? Like, is it only redeemable in February? I mean, what
Wait till you see the calendar. Oh, February's going to be rocking.
the U.S. and all of your administrative law is not providing me any services due to the facts is that I'm ordering a stay on the common law side of this court in order to address my
so you say you're an attorney in fact.
So let me get this straight. You say you're an attorney, in fact. What is that supposed to mean? Because are you barred by the court? Or are you just randomly throwing shit at the wall and hoping that something sticks? Because, you know, if you're going to randomly throw shit at the wall, I've got a room that I'm going to send you to, and I'll see you tomorrow whenever you can answer this appropriately. Do you want an attorney? Yes or no?
Yes. and Allison is over there. Like, I dare you to put my name out there. Just she's staring daggers at the judge. Like, don't you put my name out here. I'm not going to represent his ass.
Yeah, she's like, Your Honor, I do not know. No, I have limited tolerance for this kind of fuckery.
Act. Have you been allowed to practice law in the state of Washington by the Supreme Court of Washington?
No, I'm not a bar member. I'm not
Okay.
part of the society. I'm a
Okay.
All right. So do you want an attorney to help you?
I'm hereby entering an order on the common law side of this
Okay.
court in order to stay for these administrative hearings for me to exhaust all my administrative.
She is trying not to throw rocks through the screen at this judge. Like, how dare I? Why did I pick the short end of the stick today?
Yeah, she's like, I need a drink.
Like, I know it's only 8 o'clock in the morning, but that's fine.
This is the fifth sovereign citizen she's tried to give me today.
No, the whole day was filled with soft sits.
Probably.
Got a few. I think you're a little confused and you got bad information. This is a criminal case, not an administrative hearing. It's a criminal case. You're charged with a crime called criminal trespass in the first degree. And it carries a maximum sentence of 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. And again, you have a right to have an attorney and a right to not testify against yourself if you go to trial or hearing. You have a right to be presumed innocent,
hint.
and you cannot be found guilty unless the city of Lacey proves this against you to beyond a reasonable doubt, or if you pled guilty to it, that would be your choice. Again, you have the right to have an attorney.
So tell me, if you plead guilty to a felony, does that make you a felon, or is that a civil case?
I'm pretty sure felonies are only attached to criminal cases.
Even if it was like a civil case and you got charged with a felony?
Well, civil cases are brought by citizens, and citizens can't charge you with anything because only the government can. So
Right.
they're two separate things.
So, like, for example, if it's like the state of Florida and they say, you know, they charge you with a felony grand theft, 2 counts of felony grand theft, do you think that's still a civil case?
No, it's a criminal case, but the victims can go after you. You can be held both criminally and civilly liable.
And you're not a lawyer, right? You're just from your experience. This is sort of how you remember
Yeah.
things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just curious.
Assist you here. Anything? I'm still trying to get a question answered there. Do you want to answer that?
Rosalind, you know what, Rosalind? I'll send you an invite if you want to come by. You know, we love the Roz. Let me see. Oh my gosh, yeah, this has been an interesting day. Let me see here. Where is the Rosalind Duke? There she is. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. There we go. And if you want to come by, Rosalind, we got something for you. I'll show you later. Somebody else is very interested in it. Hey, Ginny, leave me. God. Oh, you know, it's so funny. Last night I was supposed to be going to sleep. And and Megan was in Nick Ricadas. I was like, Megan, aren't you supposed to be sleeping? She was like, no, stop it. Leaving was there. He knows.
Oh, I know. I usually get up at 3 and I'm like, dick on it. I can't.
Yeah. I missed all the fun.
I know.
That question or not?
Am I going to be able to answer without your interference? Because you keep cutting me off. That's not the sort of conduct that's necessary. It seems to be you're practicing law from the bench. I would appreciate it if you refrained from such and let me speak for myself as a man, not a legal.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
You
Okay,
went
well,
there. You went
I was
there.
like, all right. Okay, man. I'm gonna send you back to male prison. How about that? Okay, next case.
Yeah, that was a really dumb idea, you know, because you don't know. Let's put it this way. This is a no. You don't do this ever to a judge unless you are just looking to get your ass handed to you, because judges do not like that kind of bullshit.
No.
Especially
oh my gosh.
because
The
they're
suited
basically
lawyer
saying
is
they're
like-
not the boss. They're just like, oh boy, this isn't going to go well. This is going to go well.
Person or legal entity or corporation which I've denied. And I'm going to show you the paper here on the affidavit. Affidavit, statement of truth. I, man, the living soul, hereby deny corporate existence and do not occupy any corporate capacity and or status whatsoever. I further state the above statement of facts are true, correct, and not misleading, and swear to each under the penalties of perjury per 28 U.S.C. 1746C. And there's my signature, Raymond Van Paulo, December 22nd. All rights reserved, not a sunset, not pro time.
Okay, Raymond Paulo, we finally established that. All right, got it. Do you want an attorney to help you?
Excuse me, per the common law, you are now trespassing. That's a common law trespass. Please. Are you a bar member? You have a conflict of interest. I would imagine you need to recuse yourself if you want to operate on that side of the court.
Well, you got a lot of mistakes there you're citing, and I'm trying to help clear it up for you. So,
Opinions have nothing to do with me as a man because you don't have any jurisdiction.
not,
You don't have any
so
authority.
what
Good.
happens next, Mr. Paulo?
What happens next is, you know, eventually they are going to reopen insane asylums.
Yes.
That will happen. Those will come back. And whenever they do, we just hope that you're still alive so you can maybe get some of the help that you need.
Yeah, it is sad. I mean, he can't even, he is so caught up in his record, his cycle, that he doesn't realize that he is hurting himself. And, you know, it is sad to kind of watch someone who just cannot seem to help themselves or get off that track.
Yeah. And he's not alone. There's so many people that are like this. And, you know, what do you do except just go, you know, I hate to do this to you, but you're not only harming yourself, but you're harming other people in society. Like a normal society does not tolerate this kind of behavior.
No, and there has to be something. I mean, this does seem like a level of paranoia that kind of would be something that maybe you can get help for.
I would hope that he could get help
Yeah.
for.
Who you say you are because you signed that document. It would be good for you to.
Oh my gosh. You know what happens whenever someone shows.
So good, so good. Say the name, watch him freeze. Rosalind Duke has the keys. Click, receipts tucked in her sleeve. Trying not panic, facts don't leave. Lit the fuse, then boom, clean cut. Bar room, and she'll sweep that up. Talk tough online, better show with the proof. One look, one line, case closed by Duke. Duke. So good. It's Rosalind Duke. She brings receipts, losers move. Run and hide if you feel that truth. Say her name, Rosalind Duke. Duke. She'll knock out that tooth. So good. Yeah, Rosalind Duke.
Lights down. One rule, bitches respect me or go fuck yourself.
I love that intro. Do you not like that intro, Mo?
Funny.
I love it.
So Rosalind was like, I don't know, I can't think of anything for this. I was like, Rosalind, I've just send me a picture. That's it. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to need some help making some merch.
Oh, I saw that.
You saw that? I think that I am going to do a calendar for every month. And I was thinking, what was it? January, of course, we've got to have, I think center, we need to have the ball drop, you know, coming down the tower in New York, the ball drop, you know, and of course, you know, we got to have my walnuts there with their
Nice.
happy helmets. And then of course, Mo said for February, because you know we got so much going on in February, even though it's a shorter month, so it might be a little bit shorter. But she said a cupid, you know, firing an arrow up in the air, maybe like a fountain. And then of course, because it is also Black History Month, that my nuts should have afros on them.
That's nice. Could Yamaha be the Cupid?
But it would be a headless Cupid. The one-eyed Cupid? Could be the one-eyed Cupid. Yeah, we could get the one-eyed Cupid on there. I think that's a great idea.
Oh God, where's my eye patch? It's gotta be around here somewhere. I'll find it.
Oh,
I do have one.
Moon pie drop in Mobile. That would be more appropriate.
There you go. There you go. Well, I like the idea. Yeah, I'm down for that. If you want to do we've got quite a few calendars that need to be happening this year.
Well, especially because, you know, January is coming up. I want to have like the whole calendar like laid out, ready to go. I mean, I'm thinking that's perfect merch. If I can, I just need to figure out how to get it onto the site there, and so people can get it.
Well,
In a firefight dressed as a cop. Oh no.
In the diaper.
No. I think I've found the mascots for my piece there, and it's going to be glorious. Let me see if I can find it here. Share the image file. Give me just a second. Yes, the walnuts. They're Shizzy's dumb nuts. They're not smart.
Dumb nuts?
They're dumb nuts.
I heard that you have a porn site.
Yeah. So let me see.
I just found that out.
Why did that? There it is. Shizzy's dumb nuts, right there. Don't you think? Yes.
Perfect.
And and like I said, you get the tower back here, and the ball drop right there at the back.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I have more. I mean, that was just one of them.
God bless Grok.
So cute.
I mean, like I mean I have a whole bunch of them, and I really like the one with the chops. Those are pretty good.
Nice.
Those are pretty good.
Nice.
That's the
I
only
can
one.
see it. I can see it.
I think you sell more calendars than a firefighter suit. oh God.
Oh
No.
goodness. Oh well, that sounds exciting. I'll give me a couple of days. I've got some stuff I got to take care of.
Yeah.
Around the house.
Yeah. Oh, I
But,
hear
yeah, I would love to participate in that.
you. And working with my nuts.
I'd like to play with your nuts. Move them around, see how they fit
Yeah.
the calendar.
Maybe give them better perspective.
I'll have to
These
zhuzh them a little bit.
these are sort of little too much in your face.
Might be a little too much in my face.
The eyeballs are a little big.
Well, I mean, I do have better ones.
I didn't realize your nuts didn't have teeth though, so that's new.
Oh, well.
We're following the muse.
I've got
Gotcha.
I also have these right here, which are pretty good too.
I see. That's the one I saw earlier, the dumb nuts.
Yeah.
Mhm. The dumb
So
nuts.
those have teeth. I mean,
those have some chompers.
yeah.
Those are. Yeah.
I mean,
I'd be a little afraid of those.
well, and let's see.
Those might bite back.
They just might, just might. And then I've got the, let's see, I've got the ones that are, they're a little more Asian. So,
No comment.
I think that comes from, the Chinese New Year.
What is happening? Okay. I don't want to know.
But then I also have the comedy and tragedy ones.
That would have to be April, right? April Fools.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Comedy,
Okay.
tragedy.
Shame on you.
Oh, I've got a whole bunch of. I've at least got 50 of these.
Oh, I'm
I
sure
mean,
you do.
Yeah. I mean, there's only going to be 2 on there because why would you have more than 2? It's sort of like, you don't really have the 3.
one.
Well, you could have 1. I mean, you could have 3.
Yeah, I guess.
I mean, I think, one might be a little bigger than the other.
Now, that's
you
more
saved
common.
the 3 for for June.
3 for June? Why
Yeah.
3 for June?
Why?
Well, because you can have 2 doing normal stuff and the other one painted like a rainbow.
Well, no, we're a little more closeted than that. Come on, Mo.
We're a little more closeted than that. And then 4th of July, you could have exploding nuts.
I know.
Yeah, Roman candle.
Yeah, Roman candle and exploding nuts. Sparklers.
Sparklers.
We can make their stars sparkle.
Oh, that would be nice. I think that's a must.
Dumb nuts
That's an
don't
absolute
have
must.
teeth.
Shame on you.
Oh.
Well, we're puppy sitting, so I'm gonna have to go. But I
Okay,
did want to
but-
pop on and say hi.
Good to see you, Rosalind.
Yeah.
What do you got going on this weekend?
Just I haven't even started decorating for the holidays. So
That's my
feel
wife. Neither is my wife. She did the Christmas
Me
village,
either.
but that's as far as she went.
yeah.
It's just-
So I've got a lot to do. And really, we don't have any of the kids this year, so it's sort of like womp womp. You just don't really want to. It's kind of like, well, but they're all going to be here after Christmas, so it's like if they come home and there's no Christmas, then they'll be like,
Well, see, that's why you wait until like the day before Christmas and then get the Christmas tree so that it lasts longer.
have you seen what I do at the holidays?
Yeah, I have.
This cannot be done in one day.
I know. I know.
There's too much glitter to share.
I know. It takes all the way up until like Christmas Eve, and she's finally putting the star on top of the tree. Like,
I just imagine
finally.
Rosalind, like in The Grinch That Stole Christmas, with like the howitzer light thing, just
Yeah. My dream, I wish, I would love that. I just wish I had the nose. Like, how do I get the nose to do that? Anyway.
Says, I refuse to purchase a calendar. You're goofy nuts looking at me.
Happy. That's no way to talk to us.
Yeah.
hashtag walnuts matter.
Nuts matter.
Well, you can always do it like this. So you can say,
Oh, there you go.
When's International Women's Month? Because that's how you need to do it. Whatever that month is, that's how you do the. And we'll just be above the nuts, just like.
Absolutely. Sounds perfect.
all right.
You guys have fun. I'll see you. I'll be listening. Bye.
Bye. Oh, God, I love it. I love it. Ah, it's having so much fun. This should be a crime.
Yes.
Get that filed with the court at some point if you want us to review it more closely.
You're still interfering with my abilities, and you're misrepresenting and making statements on my.
You know, there's nothing like getting your salad tossed with some nuts mixed in. Just saying, Happy.
Yeah, you do not have the authority. I'm revoking, rescinding all signatures, power of attorney, and terminating. And I'd like the prosecutor to provide proof of his certificate of authority to administrate any claims against the unincorporated sovereign estate. And if he fails to, then I will accept his bar card and your.
Mr. Paulo, I'm not doing anything on your behalf as an attorney. I'm the judge here.
Okay, well,
And we're trying to get through an arraignment, and I've told you what you're charged with and what the maximum possible sentence
I'm not a
is.
debtor.
You've gone through your rights, and some of those rights also are, if you were to go to motion or trial, you have the right to have the court order people to come testify on your behalf, and you have the right to question witnesses that may be brought by the city against you. So where we are is, I'm still trying to figure out if you want an attorney, and you haven't asked me to appoint an attorney, but I can do that if you'd like.
So you're not able to basically act in accordance to the canons. So at this point in time, by special appearance and
The canons?
Yeah,
Okay. We don't have any canons in this day and age. I mean, that we're going to use in court. But if you want to redress the court, I will tell you what, you put that in writing, and other than that, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, honestly, I'm hoping that he's not in the same prison as the convict who's probably waiting to see if he'll get bail, because he's going to get his ass kicked.
Yeah. You know, the guy that just got a speeding ticket, he's waiting on bail hearing.
Yeah. Yeah. His attorney's like, this should be a quick hearing. And this guy's like, by order of special appearance by the unincorporated Jesus of America.
Just watch this guy's face. Just watch his face. He's just like, oh, God.
limited manner, I'm entering an order by special deposits to the foreign courts in order to put a stay on the hearings in order for me to exhaust my administrative remedies.
Okay. So,
And I hereby order the court to vacation any liens on the account and release the real property and personal property. I believe it's standard forms 9091 if they're still in effect.
yeah. So, Ms. Ganem, anything you want to add here?
Nothing additional, Your Honor. I was not able to get much information.
No, I told you you're not to be.
One person at a
on my
time,
behalf.
Mr. Paolo, please. Let me just hear from Ms. Ganem and then I'll turn back to you.
I Raymond of the family, Paulo,
Mute him.
do not unlawfully convert the estate name.
All right,
Title is an unlawful conversion. This is identity theft. Okay, so at this point in time, I'm going to read your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say you need to court of law. If you don't understand your rights, the attorney will be appointed to you. Do you understand your rights? All bar members and those present in this particular hearing and on the common law side in which I'm standing as
So I'm going to turn to the prosecuting attorney, Mr. Sharp. What's
Is
the
this what happened
recommendation
after
here on
Revenge of
relief?
the Nerds didn't, go 10 movies?
Yeah. I mean, dude is just like losing his shit in there. And she's like, yeah, that's not how this works. You see, you have no control here. You gave up that ability whenever you got handcuffed and put in jail.
Yeah.
Sorry,
bud. That's
bud.
cute.
Sorry, sucks to be you. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, what the heck? Yeah. But I have figured out the obstacle course for him.
These conditions.
Thank you, Your Honor. Court's
I
already
see,
found
I should
probable
make it clear probable cause was found the first.
I didn't get any discovery, so I don't know about those things. Those
Right,
are
Your
all
Honor.
presumptions.
I don't know what that is.
Well, city will just
I
make
thought
a
you were a
record
common law lawyer.
that city has grave reservations about Mr. Paulo being allowed to represent himself in
Objection.
the statements
This
he's
is
made.
identity theft.
Mr. Paulo, stop interrupting and I'll get back to you. I'm going to hear from you next. So I suggest you listen and then you respond.
You know, Judge, there's an easy way to get control of your courtroom, and letting him spurg out like this is not it.
No.
Immediately, whenever he does that, you put him on mute, and if he doesn't listen, that's up to him. You know, he's got the opportunity to do it. I would say you're being muted, and mute him and continue on and tell him exactly how things are going to go in your courthouse, in your courtroom. This is your courtroom. You are the boss here. If they can't abide by it, then, well, that's their tough shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Even Happy's like, mute him.
Conversion,
Stop
identity theft.
interrupting. We're going to have
Okay.
to,
On the common law
okay,
side,
just, I will come back to you.
Per the state's.
I will be coming back to you. So listen and then respond. So first off, we got to listen. So Mr. Sharp.
Thank you, Your Honor. Again, the city has grave reservations it would like to express about Mr. Paulo being allowed to represent himself. And while he may have a right to do so, the statements he's made before the court today seem to suggest he either has multiple grave misunderstandings about the way the law works and the way the court proceeds, or is just unwilling to participate in the process in a functional way. Either way, it seems a grave injustice to not have a properly educated and trained attorney assisting him. However, I do recognize that he has that right should he choose to exercise it. City's requesting $250 bail on this case, law-abiding behavior. Did he not have any contact with the Peak Credit Union? Your Honor, the street address for that is...
Is this in the United States?
Your Honor, that's 44s, 6th Avenue Southeast. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I've got the wrong report for the address here. Pardon me.
Made a mistake.
4540. Your Honor, that's 4540 6th Avenue Southeast. City's bail request is based on concerns over Mr. Paulo's ability or likelihood to reappear under Rule 3.2. The statements that he's made before the court today suggest that he's not likely to respond to the court's orders, given that he's rejected the court's authority over this matter. City believes without some bail, he would be likely to fly or at least fail to appear for future hearings.
So Ms. Ganem, you say you haven't had a chance to talk with Mr. Paulo, for lack of a better name that I can.
Because this guy cannot shut the fuck up for 2 seconds. Dang, I thought they were coming to take him away. No, I think they were taking the firearm out of the room from him. Or the taser, one of the two.
Use here. And I'd like to, it's been difficult for us to talk, obviously, too.
On my common law side of the court, definitely, if you're going to unlawfully convert and it suggests that we're running in a different manner, well, then I'm not participating in bad faith. And with clean hands, I'm not participating in the unlawful conversions of the unincorporated as a state property.
So,
And that's
Ms.
land
Canna,
included.
Yes.
You called down, or how did you, were you on the phone, or was he not willing to talk with you, or?
I attempted to speak on the phone, and he has made it clear to me that he does not want me to speak on his behalf at all.
Stand down. You're in violation of FARA, foreign agent.
So
She just
nobody's
muted
in
him.
violation of anything here. I'm just asking questions, or.
Yes, Your Honor. I attempted to have a conversation with him, and
Finally.
he has not answered any of my questions that I asked him, and has made it clear that he does not want me to say one word on his behalf at this hearing.
Okay. And
Your Honor,
so, yep,
given
Mr.
the-
Sharp.
Given the statements made before the court here this afternoon, the city feels obligated to, well, I'll defer to the court on this, but would suggest considering the issue of competency. The statements have been consistently nonsensical and seem to suggest that Mr. Paulo may have an inability to understand the court proceedings. Without further information, we can't rule out that he's able to proceed competently. City would again defer to the court, but perhaps an evaluation is in order.
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
I'm not convinced at this stage. I'm convinced that Mr. Paulo doesn't agree with the
Sweetheart, how in the fuck did you become a judge? Sorry. Because at this point, if you haven't figured out that this guy is not going to stop, that this is his MO, this is how he's going to act, that you have to fucking mute him in a court proceeding, that you think he's magically going to behave.
Well, she might be realistic in that she will send him for a competency. They will say he's competent and that this behavior is, she might know the system more than we do.
Oh, you're, why do you have to speak reason? Damn
Oh
it,
no,
Mo.
she seems like dumb enough that she would be the one that would be like, look, you know, he's not smearing feces on the wall, so I think he'll be fine.
Yet. But he's definitely unhinged. Oh, I can't stay awake, and I will watch you later. Love you all. Have a great stream. We shall. And yeah, we got something coming up after this one.
proceedings and doesn't agree with the state of the law in Washington. And that's fine. Problem is, it's still happening the way he doesn't agree. It still is a fact. And so, Mr. Paulo, I'm being asked to have you post bond or in order to be released, and then set another hearing and have you back to court if you are out of custody, or have another hearing anyway if you're in custody. Do you have anything to say about this request from the city, and also that you don't go back to that 46 Avenue?
It's her greatest gift. We don't want her to stop taking.
It's my greatest gift and detriment.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, this guy is happy as a clam, shouting to himself. He thinks he's winning the argument. He's done citizen arrested the judge.
Oh, yeah. Read the rights.
He's over here like, I'm going to get their bar license. I'm going to get their number. I'm going to call the Surgeon General.
I will call the Trump presidency, and they will listen to me too.
As the president of unincorporated America, I'm going to have to send I'm going to have to parlay with Mr. Trump.
New Southeast. It's a credit union, did you say?
The Peak Credit Union.
Peak Credit Union. So you have anything to say on that? I think somebody muted you, so we're going to need the help of corrections there and Lacey to unmute you.
Me?
Ah, you're back. So do you have any response to what the city wants me to do on release conditions?
As a man or a legal person?
Whatever way you want to
As a
respond.
fig Newton.
No, as the statement that he's made to a man or a legal person, because I'm not a corporation, as the affidavit, a statement of truth has now been entered into the public
This is a
record.
GD Furby. Shut the hell up.
Yes. God bless America. Dude.
And she just keeps letting him get away with you. Do not negotiate with terrorists or toddlers. And this man is in a toddler tantrum.
Yes, he is in a toddler tantrum. Maybe not with the 10 gifted memberships. Here we go.
Welcome to the shit show. Every single day, a new flavor of fuckery. Cause everybody's such, you see, and they're dumber than a bag of clots.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
And then 4 more days of increasingly stupid,
Ridiculous, ignorant, boulder, dash, poppycock, bollocks, and funnery. Live all over again. Thank you, baby. I appreciate you, and all those wonderful people that got those memberships. Thank you so much, and welcome to the Nut House.
And after
How do
reading
you want to
your
respond?
guys bar members, you have a conflict of interest, especially a judge. If you have a bar card, I've accepted your bar card and your oath of office and the attorneys. And if the attorney is not willing to provide the certificate of authority to bring a claim against my own estate, well, the facts remain is that's actually a common law.
So, sir, how do you feel about me ordering you not to go back to that credit union, the Peak Credit Union?
I'm sorry, you're speaking
Give
to
out
a
the
man or
best
are you speaking to
suckers.
somebody else?
To you.
A man?
No, to
You're a
you.
physical human being in the Nisqually jail. I'm talking to you.
A man, yes or no? Are you speaking to a man?
You look like a man to me.
Okay, well, I know what I look like, but I've asked you directly. Are you directing me to that question as a man? Not that I look like one, because I'm a man, I'm not a legal person, and I'm not a corporation. The
Okay,
fact of the matter
to you, the man who's sitting in Nisqually jail.
okay, and so
What do you
why
say?
is that identified as a legal person then?
What do you say?
I'm sorry, you're cutting out.
What would you
$500
like
bail.
to tell me about what I should do about your custody status? Should I let you out? Should I not? Should I order you to stay away from Peak Credit Union? What do you have to say about that?
Well, I'd like to request the judge's chambers in order to protect my privacy.
No, this is a public
No,
hearing.
you're not
We're gonna
showing
do
your
this in
privacy.
public.
privates.
So what's your response?
I believe it's called Star Chambers in order to protect my publicity and
Do you have a
Publicity.
response to that question about release conditions or not?
Okay, I'm sorry. It's very echoey in here, so
Yeah.
Then shut the fuck
you're
up.
frustrating me for no reason other than it fears you're interfering. So if you could just respond slower and not cut me off because you're agitating me. As an American with disabilities, and I've been deprived for now 8 days of a hearing. So beyond the 20,
As an American with disabilities, sir, that is no excuse for bad behavior. Okay,
I have a disability. It's called allergy to fuck twats.
yeah.
And you're really aggravating my allergy right now, and it's hurting my feelings.
If you don't stop, sir, whether you want to be identified as a man, an entity, a fucking penguin, I'm speaking to you. If you cannot behave yourself, then you will sit in here until I decide that you're going to be released, whether it's 364 days or 362 days. Or maybe I'll just keep you in there until you can behave like a human being, like the rest of us would. And if you
Yeah,
can't
I'll
do
just-
that, then
Yeah.
hey, you know, the Thorazine shuffle will do you just fine.
Yeah.
48 hours, I don't know
Yeah.
why we're even listening to this, because you failed to meet the mandatory obligations to bring any party to the courts, as you have fraudulently induced me to believe something.
Sorry, we don't throw parties in the courthouse. And if you've got an issue, then that's your issue, and it's not my problem. Go. Just take him away until he's ready to behave. That's what this is, sir. Keep on lecturing at the judge and shit. See how well that works out for you.
Oh no, see, I'd say, okay, sir, well, I'm writing this down for the Illuminati and the reptilians. If you want our overlords to know that you weren't cooperative, well, then that's fine. But, I would watch whatever food I eat because, they get into that.
Mm-hmm.
When in fact fraud upon the court is evident and now part of the public record. So with that.
So Mr. Paolo, what we're doing here is I'm entering a plea of not guilty to this allegation of criminal trespass in the first degree. I'm not appointing an attorney, as you've told me that you want no one to help you. You can change your mind about that, and we can appoint an attorney, and keep that in mind. I'm going to order that you don't go back to that Peak Credit Union where this is alleged to have occurred at 4540 6th Avenue Southeast in Lacey. Don't go back there, subject, and don't violate the law otherwise. I don't see a history of failing to appear in court for the last 20 some years, so I'm not going to have you post any bond.
What?
I'm going to give you a court date to be back, and you're representing yourself unless you ask the court to appoint somebody or we think differently about that. But you've got to tell us if you want an attorney appointed. And what date?
Okay, the issue at hand that I hear is that you're saying representing myself. I am myself as an attorney in fact. So the fact of the matter is if you misrepresent and misidentify the things I'm stating, these unlawful conversions create a cause of action, and under the common law, this is a trespass. So with all due respect, I'm willing to entertain on the private side, the common law side, if you guys refrain from forcing me to be subject to these unreasonable consequences in bad faith. I would not have anything to do with the county because I do not live in the United States. That being said, and the only place I've ever heard of is at the time which I went to the Lacey police in order to file a case against the party who wrote $11,000 check. Her name is Sheila Connor. And I think
we're getting off track here. It's not about you anymore. So we're going to be back January 5th. You need to come to court. And if you don't, and there's no good reason, the court might issue a warrant for your arrest. But come to court. And if you want the court to appoint an attorney, we sure would do that. But stay away from Peak Credit Union. Stay out of trouble. Be back in district court January 5th. That's all for today.
Am I being
knock
released
on the door and they'll let you out.
Today.
Oh my God.
Can I confirm?
That's all for today. So long.
Excuse me?
So long. You can knock on the door there and they'll let you out and they'll release you from custody. We'll see you January 5th.
Okay, I want to continue.
We're going to move on. Mr. Stashevsky, you've got a client in the corrections facility with you?
Yes, Your Honor. Present with me is Mr. Ryan Jensen, number.
And Mr. Ryan Jensen is going, oh my God, I'm only here because did something minor.
8.
Thanks for
I'm gonna
joining.
keep my mouth shut.
And if you have not checked out Old Squishy Gardener, it is absolutely some of the best stuff that you can find on the interwebs. But we do have a course for all sovereign citizens. This has been specially designed for sovereign citizens. Here we go.
Why? I can see my youngest most feral doing that though.
Oh, yeah. Yes. It's 10,000 volts and you have to make it through.
Yeah.
That would be what? Interesting to watch. Really interesting to watch. Oh, but alas, we can't all, be that lucky. Not as lucky as this guy.
Why do people challenge the police even when they know it'll only make things worse?
That's Tracy Morgan.
What are we looking for him for? The man is over here on the side, across the street on the side of the building, but I guess he's been hitting all type of Dollar Generals. Everybody been looking for him. Okay. Where's he at? Josh! Hi. Hello.
You're looking for scooter guy, huh?
Yeah, we're seeing you.
So, still over there? You went that way, turned right at that building, that road there.
On Blaine?
Yep. And from what I can tell, the scooter is dead. So
Okay.
he's like,
Gotcha.
okay, should be moving very fast.
All right, cool. I'll go check on him. Thank you.
Of all the days for your scooter to go out of charge.
Otis!
Yep.
What's up? You okay?
Not when the cops know your name.
Yeah. That's one of those little city scooters too. You know, it's like you have to plug it in so it can charge. I think, I don't know. It could be his own.
Yeah,
Or am I stole it? Who knows?
Somebody called about you back there. Somebody at the dollar store. Were you just in the dollar store?
No,
Okay.
I was at the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but they called us to check on you.
Yeah,
So.
I ain't going there or nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just at the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I ain't with them. I ain't doing that. Pushing my scooter so I can get it fixed.
I got you. So real quick, I just want to get your info to state that I did talk to you, checked on you, and made sure you're okay, all right?
Yeah, I'm cool.
All right, cool. For some reason, they wanted us to check on you.
Yeah, I'm cool. I've been pushing on. Right? I'm cool. What they do to me?
Run for 6 and 7.
You run out of power?
7, 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
6, 8.
How's this thing charged?
7.
By power, by the battery pack.
Okay, so it's like inside.
Yeah.
I don't have one, so that's why I'm saying.
Now, are these the ones that we get from like the city, or is this yours?
This is some account. This is some recycling. Yeah.
Cool.
So this is Summit County?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought
It is a city cycle. Because see, you have to put it on there for it to charge, and
Yeah, that.
yeah, he stole it. He's hoping he can get a few dollars out of it, you know, maybe.
Yeah.
And what they would do is they would take it from him and they would just say, no,
No. Yeah, you have to put it back on charge.
you have to put it back on charge. If you want to take one out, you have to, pay for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like your own.
So I'm cool. Can I go, man? I ain't
As soon as I verify some things, and you'll be good to go. Okay. You don't got no warrants?
Hopefully not. I ain't did
Hopefully not.
Yeah. I'm with the
Not
federal
today. Ain't done shit.
You said you work for the federal government?
No, I'm with the federal government. I got
you
property
did.
here.
Okay. How long you been out?
I've been out. What you mean?
Like you meant you went to the prison?
No, I'm with the federal government.
Oh, you're with them.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do with them?
I got property that's under them.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
I got property
We're not
under the
here to
federal
hang out.
government.
We're just here to, we get a call, we got to respond. You know how that goes.
That's cool.
Well, you can't leave yet, so hold on. Just got to make sure you don't got any
No,
warrants.
I ain't got no warrants, man. I'm cool.
Listen,
I'm not saying, man.
listen, you
Y'all
keep
call
trying to walk away.
but y'all call
We're trying to be cool, aren't we, Otis?
Yeah, but I ain't did nothing. Y'all called for some
I didn't call. They called. We're
y'all
just doing
called
our
for
job,
crazy
okay?
stuff about my scooter, man.
No, it's not. Has nothing to do with your scooter.
They said I went.
They said that you were in the store
I
and that
wasn't
they
in the
had
store.
issues for you, and they wanted us to check on you.
I wasn't in the store, so I've had issues. If I wasn't in the store, I was at the bus stop.
Yeah, I don't know.
I was at
Okay.
the bus stop, so that's not in the store.
I don't
That's
know.
nowhere near the store.
I agree. You're not in the store if that's where you
That's
in fact
crazy.
were
I'm
at.
not going for that, man. Y'all trying to stop me for no reason. Y'all trying to stop me for no reason.
Otis, just stop, Otis.
Hold on, man. I'm gonna put your hands on me. I'll put your hands on me.
You're going to get tased. Stop right now or you're going to get tased. Put your hands behind your back.
What?
Otis, now.
Now,
I ain't did shit, man.
Otis,
I ain't did shit, man.
going to get
I'm not.
tased.
Why you keep touching me? Why you keep touching me?
I'm trying to give you the chance.
I ain't did nothing.
Okay, stop
the bag
talking
down,
to
Otis.
him. Tase him.
I ain't did shit. Don't touch me, man. I ain't did shit, man. Now get off me, man. Get off. Go off me, man.
Oh.
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't did shit.
24
I ain't did shit, man.
You did now.
Do it again.
Hands behind your back.
Ah.
Get your other hand behind your back now.
Praise me, man.
Sure, go ahead.
Get your hand behind your other back now.
I ain't did shit.
Otis,
I ain't
put
did
your
shit.
hand behind your back.
Man, I ain't did shit.
Get your other hand behind your back now.
I ain't doing shit.
He ain't putting that hand
You're
there.
going to get another one. You're going to get another one, Otis.
I ain't doing shit. I'm not gonna tell you.
When I tell you you're not free to leave, that doesn't mean run away. So now you're going to get obstructing.
Now I got badges too.
Pull your arm out, Otis, or you're going to get it again.
Call the federal government, man. Can you call the federal government? Can you call the federal government?
No, put your hand behind your back.
Come on.
Thank you. That's all you had to do from the jump.
Can you call the federal government?
Oh,
You gotta call the federal government, man.
yeah. Take off his 2 watches.
After police can't get arrested. You gotta call the federal government.
24, I'm back in line.
She says
So
you're
did
detained,
you
you're
have
detained, bro.
any info
For what?
for Otis?
I ain't do shit. Why you
Doesn't
taking my
matter.
watch off? Why you taking my watch off?
Oh,
You taking my watch?
Taser, my night has been made.
You've been to prison. You know that you can't have your watch.
Listen,
Yeah.
we're past that. We were cool with you. We gave you several opportunities. You wanted to run from us. Now you're going to jail.
Y'all can't even arrest me. You can't even arrest
Well,
me.
you're
You gotta call
arrested,
the-
Otis.
You gotta call the federal government.
You're
to arrest me.
arrested, Otis.
You gotta call the federal government. to arrest me.
Okay, Otis.
You have to.
I'm gonna
She
need you
not
on your
giving
side
me-
real quick.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me, man.
We've got EMS coming to check you out.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me.
Okay.
I'm not under arrest. You gotta call the federal
Well,
government.
you are under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Obstructing.
Obstructing what?
Sounds like you got some warrants here. I'm waiting to confirm.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me.
Okay.
He has
I got
warrants.
badges.
My shock.
So do we.
Yeah.
I got badges for Akron too.
It's called for you.
Who? On leads?
You gotta call the federal government.
Tell them I'm on leads.
24's on leads.
You have to call the federal government to arrest me.
You want to sit him up?
Oof.
You want to sit up on your butt?
Make sure you don't have
Good like that?
It just fell down, go boom.
You gotta call the federal government, man, to arrest me, man.
I feel like we need a T-shirt that says "Okay, Otis,"
Okay, Otis.
because that was a full-on mood. Like that woman was my spirit animal right there. She was like, "Okay, Otis,
Okay, Otis.
sure."
We've done this before, Otis. No, for us, it's just another day. Ends in Y. For you, well, it's another something.
And I gave you plenty of opportunities.
You call the federal
You
government.
chose to run.
I didn't run. I just
You didn't run?
No, I didn't.
The body cam says different, sir.
I didn't.
I didn't run. That wasn't me. It was.
Look, that was a fast walk. That was not a run.
You ain't seen me run yet. Wait till you get these handcuffs off me.
Run, you pushed up on me. I've been
He's like,
running.
it wasn't
I
fair.
told you
I'm
not
in
to.
Crocs.
You don't want to listen.
You gotta call the federal government to arrest me, though.
You got something coming out of your taser. What's going on?
Otis wanted to run from us. We were
I
just
didn't
trying
run
to
from
have
you. I didn't run
a
from you guys.
conversation.
I didn't run from you guys.
You wanted to run and take off, so I gave you plenty of
Why don't you
warning.
just go out and unhook those?
Okay.
Top up. And you just
If you don't know how your taser works there, sweetheart, I don't know if you should be having one.
Yeah. Also, fingernails, acrylic fingernails,
Yeah.
the long hair that's loose.
Yeah.
He grabs that hair, you're down.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't get me started.
Yeah. It's you know, like I got no problem with female cops.
No,
I have a problem with female cops that look like they're posing for magazines or some shit. Like this is not your opportunity to play sexy cop. You're there to do a fucking job. And nobody takes you seriously whenever you look like this.
well, that, but also be competent. You know, again, if you want to do the job, then maintain the standards.
I mean, she doesn't even know how to pull her damn taser apart. She doesn't know how to do anything.
Yeah.
No wonder Otis ran. Like, yeah, I got to get away from you. You might give me something.
touch those. What you call hot sauce for, man? I like it spicy.
Yes, sir. It's hot today.
That Texas Pete sauce is pretty good.
One more time.
Besides where you got tased, are you hurting at all anywhere, Otis?
We're gonna sit you up. Okay, buddy? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I wouldn't pull him that much more.
Leave it. Otis, why'd you run, man?
I just ran. I told you. I'm not gonna rush who you got.
You definitely took off running, bro.
No, I didn't take off running.
Now look, it's gonna be on camera. You took off running. I'm just asking you why.
You pushed me.
Who pushed you?
The officer put his hand on me.
Nobody pushed you. We were
put his hand-
literally
he put his
having a
hand
friendly
on me.
conversation.
He put his hand on me, so I went around you. I said, "Down." I asked you, "Can I leave?" I haven't done that. I was at the bus stop. I went at no Dollar General. Camera. I actually don't show that from Dollar General. So in order to arrest me, you guys gotta have the federal government out here. You cannot arrest me. I think y'all really need to have the federal government to say that y'all arrested me, so they can tell y'all.
I said it once, I'll say it again. Okay, MK Ultra.
Looks like you had a
be
few warrants.
quiet.
Is that why you ran?
No, I'm with the federal government.
Okay, Otis Kaczynski.
Yes.
All right, Otis.
I have badges with the federal government and license.
Where are they at?
Federal government got it.
No, your badges?
This guy's Eggo graham crackers.
Actually, those sound good.
Yeah. Let go of my Eggo.
Go.
I just picture him going, let go of my Eggo. Okay, Otis. No, let go of my Eggo. That's my Eggo.
The Ballad of Otis and the Lost Eggo.
Oh, yes. Light him up.
Otis, I'm gonna read you this, buddy. Yeah, the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against your court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you. Why are you being questioned? If you get on forward to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us? Okay, so I take that as a no. I was going to ask you about why you ran.
Officially, Otis is a fan.
He literally was
officially
talking to us, cooperating, gave me all his info, and then as soon as he heard complaints, he tried to get around wires. And I grabbed his arm, told him he wasn't free to go, and he just took off running. Yeah. Yeah, no. I gave him plenty of opportunity. I didn't want to tase you, man, but hey, at that point,
I'm going to press charges, but that's cool.
yeah, it was a good one. And then I did it again because he wouldn't bring his other hand out. I was sitting on his feet.
Hey, I'm Sergeant Suba. I'm your supervisor. I'm here to obviously conduct a fair and impartial investigation into the use of force applied by my...
What in the name of...
I would have looked at him and said, "It sounds like you want to fix my computer." No, I don't want your Microsoft.
This is so unintentionally funny.
Oh my God, this is killing me. I'm sorry. Oh God. I'm just like...
But you couldn't script a more nonsensical thing.
I mean, if I was Otis, I would have that same look on my face right about now. Just like
This is why Otis wanted to call the feds. Otis is racist.
No, Otis is just trying. He's like, listen, you've got someone that looks like they do OnlyFans. You got this guy that sounds to me like he's trying to be on Microsoft tech support. I am really having a hard time here. And the other cops, they're just I think I'm in like some weird like world right now. Like, can somebody help me?
Otis knew he shouldn't have taken a gummy because his spaceship done died, and he's just trying to go home. He was just trying to go home. He's not an astronaut.
Oh my God. Oh. Poor Otis. Poor Otis.
I'm officer against you.
Yeah.
Can you able to tell me what happened?
Well, they tried to stop me, said I was in Dollar General, and I wouldn't. I was just at the bus stop, and I pushed my scooter around here.
Then what happened?
They pulled up on me and asked me some questions. She had called my name, so she got the car. She said, "Hey, Otis," and I said, "Yeah."
Okay.
Yeah, I got a firearm in there too, so that's why I was trying to. Yeah, that's why I was trying to tell them. Yeah, I was trying to tell them to call the federal government.
Got it.
Yeah, so they can see I got license and stuff.
Got it.
Yes. They wouldn't do it.
So they tried to stop you, and what did you do?
Nothing. I stayed there for. Then I stand there for a long time talking to you guys.
Stand there until
I was
you
talking,
wanted to leave.
I was talking to him. And
So
2 minutes, a long
he tried
time.
to get in front of me and put his hands on my chest.
how did you end up on the? It looks like you were on the floor, right?
Yeah.
How did you end up on the ground?
How did you end
He
up
put
on
his
the
hand
ground?
after I tried to move my scooter and said I wasn't doing nothing. I said, y'all stop me, like detaining me. And she said, not right now. She said, just talk to me. So I just tried to move and go on. Because if they weren't detaining me, he stand in front of me and stop it. Put his hands on me. So I backed back, and that's how it went back and forth. I just tried to run away. I ain't trying to push my hand back on him. I just
So you
tried
tried to run away from officer?
Yeah, I didn't want to put my hands on him or nothing. Because when he put his hand on me, I just backed back, and then I tried to go around him. I said, hey, man. Then we went back and forth, and I dropped my scooter. So I ran over here.
Then what happened?
I ran over here.
Okay, then?
Yeah. They put me on the ground, tased me a couple times.
Tased you?
Yeah.
A couple of times.
That's about it. I just stopped.
All right. Let me take a picture of yours. Are you hot right now? Injured?
Are you hot right now?
I just feel more or less.
Yes. Are you hot right now? Are you hot for daddy? Would you like to see daddy? Yeah, let me take pictures of you and we'll send it to my family because they would never believe that I was able to electrocute a big black man like you. This is going to be on our wall of shames.
It's just like it's like you couldn't even, if you had put this into ChatGPT, ChatGPT would have said this is not real life. No one's gonna believe this shit happened.
No, they wouldn't. They wouldn't.
Overwhelmed, like, with the situation and all.
Got it.
Yeah.
Anywhere do you have pain? Are you in pain right now
I got
anywhere?
a little bit of pain with me there.
Where?
Yeah, my back. So.
Your back?
Yeah,
Okay.
It's a pain in my ass.
Yeah.
So was there ongoing issues in your back? Or?
Yeah, my back been ongoing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's not a new thing, right?
No.
Okay. So you were trying to run this way or that way?
I was coming down the street.
Coming down this street,
Yeah.
so going north
That's right,
on
going
Blaine
north.
Avenue.
Yeah, northbound.
And were you trying to check off this way or that way?
And I was just walking and they just pulled up and she was like, she got out the car, she was like, Otis. So I knew she knew who I was. And then,
No, you said at some point you were trying to get away from him, right?
yeah, I asked her about being detained and she said no at this time. She said no, and I said, it was basically, it was just basically, I was asking, am I being arrested for something, like being at Dollar General? And she was like, no. She said they just called and said that you was in.
I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so these guys will come and take a look at you and take this probe out and whatnot and go from there, okay? 2 probes.
Still in them? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That one, and then where's the other one?
Right.
One down
Right.
there? Oh, I see. Okay, that was just in his underwear, at least. I'm going to throw this in the back.
Thank you.
I don't see her serial number on it. I mean, it doesn't look like it's shaven off or anything. I just don't see one.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
It's not weird. You just are looking in the wrong place. You're not going to see a serial number with it sitting like that. The serial number is going to be on the barrel, and it's probably going to be on the lower half of the barrel on the underside of it.
Well, yeah, you would think that they would have opened it and secured it, or.
Well, no, he's got an extra 6. It's a cylinder that you could drop in there. So he just has a secondary cylinder.
Oh.
You want her to sit with him while he's at the hospital?
Yeah,
Because he has a couple felony warrants, and then he's probably he's going to be weapons under too.
Yeah,
so.
right now she's obviously signing charges, so whatever she's doing, and she's going to be en route to hospital, and then for the time being, I want your partner to go with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then once she's done, she's going to go to the hospital and sit on you.
All right.
The man was arrested and charged with theft and resisting arrest.
There you go. That's all you need to know. Otis, I feel for you, buddy.
You've had better days.
But I know that we have to make Mo laugh. And I think it's time we make Mo laugh. How about you? Think it's time?
I want to welcome you to the wonderful world of puppies.
We should probably show the clip before, because it explains it. Let me see if I still have it.
Pull me up the clip and I'll do it.
Let me. My algorithm is cursed, and this will not be safe for small children.
No, it's not safe for small children at all.
Yeah, but it's the most hilarious video that you will ever see.
They must have called the feds. All right, here we go. Yes.
Hi, my name is Catherine Lord, and I want to welcome you to the wonderful world of puppies. In this video, we are going to help you understand what's involved in having a litter. By now, you should know your bitch is pregnant. Sometimes a bitch will come earlier, sometimes a few days later. Milk Aid helps aid the bitch. Watch your bitch. What is normal for your bitch?
We're going to skip the delivery just because, no.
No.
Breeders always say, call your vet when the bitch has had contractions for a long time.
The bitch should be examined to make sure that all the nipples are okay. If a bitch vomits, the bitch may be in difficulty. Small bitch. The bitch, bitches. Every bitch should be checked for brucellosis.
Why is it important that a bitch not be overweight?
Overweight bitches, an overweight bitch, fat bitch, the bitch, and you should exercise the bitch.
Approximately how long can a bitch go?
A lot depends on the bitch.
The bitch, the bitch.
The bitch, that bitch, the bitch, the bitch is just very, very nervous. Milk the bitch, calm the bitch down, and try to milk the bitch like a cow.
So we turned it into a song.
Yeah.
Because what other way would be more appropriate than to give every bitch their own song?
I want to welcome you to the wonderful world of puppies. In this video, we're going to help you understand what's involved in having a litter.
Bitch, a bitch giving birth. 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 By now you should know your bitch is pregnant. Sometimes a bitch will come earlier, sometimes a few days later. Milk Aid helps aid the bitch. Watch your bitch, watch your bitch.
What is normal for your bitch?
Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. The delivery has begun. The bitch is into heavy labor, comforting the bitch. You wanna reassure your bitch. If your bitch lets out a scream, we only usually allow the bitch to eat 1 or 2 of the afterbirth. A bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Breeders always say call your vet when the bitch has had contractions for a long time. The bitch should be examined to make sure that all the nipples are okay. The bitch vomits, the bitch may
Be in difficulty.
small bitch, the bitch and the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. Every bitch should be checked for brucellosis. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Why is it important that a bitch not be overweight? Overweight bitch, if an overweight bitch, fat bitch, a bitch, and you should exercise the bitch.
Approximately how long can a bitch go?
A lot depends on the bitch. The bitch, the bitch, the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. The bitch is just a very, very nervous milk. Nervous milk. Calm the bitch, calm her down and try to milk the bitch like a cow, like a cow. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth. Bitch, a bitch giving birth.
Okay, you know when Lil Wayne samples that and then he calls, he's like, this is a great beat. And he's like, I want to, talk to the people who created that. And he turns on the Zoom and he's like, diversity is a thing. I'll be like, surprise!
We call ourselves white milk toast.
We call ourselves no mayonnaise.
No mayonnaise. Oh, God. Well, we're going to be sending you guys over to see the expert here shortly. But before we do that, we have to give you a little bit of Kermit love.
The one with the black hair, is your name Emerson? Oh, that's weird. It's Emerson big old titties, you know what I'm saying?
Everybody, we'll see you over there at Experts. Peace.
Welcome our darlings to the pre-stream with Mo in the deep end and Shizzywhiznut. Oh, sweetie, we ain't here to babysit your feelings. Bless your heart, we are here to laugh, react, and roast every stupid thing you do. You bring the clips, we bring the jokes. We're gonna mock you till our sides split. So grab your drink, mute your pride. We're gonna end when FNL goes live. Goes live. Goes live. Goes live.
Papa!